Mr. Engineerman, turn your train around. My baby's on there, and she's southern bound. How long has that evening train been gone? She left me standing, throwing up my hands, said she was going back to other men. How long has that evening train been gone? All blue and sad, thinking how much I loved her. Ain't that too bad? How long has that evening train been gone? If I had known she was gonna leave me that way, my poor broken heart wouldn't have to pay. How long has that evening train been gone? Well, she's gone, there's nothing for me to say, but maybe she will come back to me someday. How long has that evening train been gone?